Dear students, today we are going to start our new topic, that is graph of a linear equations in two variables. We can find how we can find out or draw the graph of a linear equations in two variables. Already we know how to draw a graph of a linear equation in one variable. We know that is it's on a number line. Here we have to draw a graph of the linear equation in two variables. Let us check how we can find. Let us do with the help of an example. Okay. Consider the linear equation in two variables. X plus 2y is equal to 6. X plus 2y is equal to 6. So we want to find out the solution for this linear equation. That is, first we put x is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 0. What will we get? 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. One solution we got. Then, at least minimum two solution is needed to draw a graph here. So, first we got one solution, that is 0, 3 is a one solution. Then, second solution, let us put y is equal to 0. It is more easy to calculate if we put x is equal to 0, and for finding the second value we can put y is equal to 0. Then it will be more easy for our calculation. Put y is equal to 0. What happened here? X plus y is 0 is equal to 6. That is, x is equal to 6. So we get another solution. First you have to write down the x coordinate, then the y coordinate, x 0. Thus we got two solutions here. First one is 0, 3 and second one is 6, 0. Okay. Then with these values we can draw a table first. To draw the linear equation, first we have to draw a table. X, y. Then here x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3, first value. Then second, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0. Thus we got the table. Then we can draw this on the graph paper. You have to take your graph book and you have to write down this question and draw the graph there in the graph book. Okay. Draw the graph. First point is 0, 3. You have to draw the number line. You have to draw with pencil. Pencil should be pointed. Then x dash x, y dash y, everything should be marked. Then first point is 0, 3. X value is 0, y coordinate is 0 there. So first you have to move your pencil to 0, x axis 0. Then from there it is 3. Then from there you have to move upward. Then this point is 0, 3. Mark there 0, 3. This point is 0, 3. Next point is 6, 0. X axis is 6. You have to go there. Then 6, 0. Here itself. This point is 6, 0. As we already studied, that is, if y coordinate is 0, the point will be on x axis, and if x coordinate is 0, the point will be on y axis. Thus we mark the 2 points 0, 3 and 6, 0. Then you have to join these points with a line. Then you have to join this line. With the scale you have to join this. This will be a straight line. Okay. When we draw this point, this will always be a straight line. That means the graph of the linear equation in two variables will always be a straight line. We will get the solution only as a straight line there. Thus we go draw the graph of that linear equation. We can do one more example. Okay, we can do the second question. Draw the graph of the linear equation x minus y is equal to 2. Here x minus y is equal to 2. First you have to find out the solution. Minimum two values you have to find. Okay, then first we can draw the table. If we do like this, then it will be more easy. Some calculation we can make it in our mind itself. Then x, y. Okay. First we can put x is equal to 0. What happened? When x is equal to 0, it becomes minus y is equal to 2. X is equal to 0 means 0 minus y is equal to 0. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. So, when x is equal to 0, we got y is equal to minus 2. Then we can put y is equal to 0. When y is equal to 0, it becomes x is equal to 2. Thus we got the two solutions, x and for x and y there. Okay, then we can draw the graph. Okay. Okay, then we can draw the graph, mark the points there. First point is 0 minus 2. X is 0, y is minus 2. So we have to move here, that is 0 minus 2. Okay, then next value x2, y0. Then you have to move to x in the x-axis, x2, y0. So the point will be on x-axis, x2, y0. Then we have to join this point. You have to join with the scale only. Okay, then we will get a straight line there. This is that graph there. So on the graph we have to write the equation also, that is x minus y is equal to 2. In the previous question also you have to write that linear equation on that graph, x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, next question, draw the graph of the linear equations y is equal to 3x. Now we can find out the solution there. Y is equal to 3x. As many solutions we can find, x, y. We can put any values for x and y. Okay, instead of 0 we can put 1, 2 or any values we can put, but if it is 0 then our calculation will be more easy there. Let us put another one. Let us put that value 1 for x. Okay, let x is equal to 1. What happened here? When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 into 1, that is y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3. Let us put another value. Let x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 into 2, 6. So here also we got another two values. Then we can draw the graph. First point 1, 3. X is 1. We have to move to 1. From there we have to move to 3. That is, this point is 1, 3. Okay. Then next one is 2, 6. So x coordinate is 2. Then y coordinate is here. From here you have to move upward, that is 6. You have to draw in graph paper, then it will be more easy. 2, 6. Then you have to join the line. This will be a straight line there. Okay, this will be the graph there. Okay, graph will be like this. It will be straight line. Then you have to write down the equation there. Y is equal to 3x. It is a graph y is equal to 3x. In this way we are drawing the graph of a linear equations in two variables. Next question, if the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y is equal to ax plus 7, find the value of a. This question you have to write in your notebook. What is the question? No need to draw the graph here. What you have to find? You have to find out the value of a here. It is given in the question. 3, 4 is the solution. That is, x coordinate is 3, y coordinate is 4 is a solution of this linear equation. So you have to find out the value of f from here, a from here. So let us look. It is given that 3, 4 is a solution of this equation. So put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 in this linear equation. You have to substitute x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4 in 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Substitute there. Let us substitute. That is 3y is equal to ax plus 7. Put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 4. X is equal to 3 plus 7. 4 into 3, that is 12. 12 is equal to 3 into a, that is 3a plus 7. Okay, then we can take this 7 to this side, that is 12 minus 7 is equal to 3a. Okay, then what is 12 minus 7? Then you have to find out the value of 5 is equal to 3a. So what is the value of a from here? Therefore a is equal to 5 by 3. That is the value of a here. A is equal to 5 by 3. 5 is equal to 3a and 3a is equal to 5. Both are same there. So the value of a is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, our next question is The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total fare as rupees y, write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph here. It is exercise 4.3 question. Question number 4 is this one. Okay, the conditions given there is that for the first kilometer the fare is rupees, and for the next subsequent it is rupees 5 per kilometer. That means if the total kilometers is 5, if total kilometer is 5, then this is 5 kilometers. Suppose this is 5 kilometer. Then for the first kilometer, that is for the 1 kilometer, it is rupees 8, and for the remaining kilometers, that is remaining 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 5 kilometers, subsequent kilometers, the rupees is 5 per kilometer. That is for the next kilometer it is 5, then for the next kilometer it is 5, next kilometer 5 up to 5 kilometers, it is 5 per kilometer. It is given that in the question, distance covered, instead of 5, the total distance covered is x kilometer. If this is the total distance covered be x kilometer, given that total distance is x kilometer there, then what you have to find? Then total fare is also given there. This is x kilometer, then total fare is given there, that is y. So we have to find out the linear equation here. For the first kilometer it is rupees 8, that is for the first kilometer it is rupees 8, and for the subsequent kilometers it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Subsequent kilometers means total it is x kilometers. So here it is 1 kilometer, for first kilometer it is 8. So what will be the remaining portions? It will be how many kilometers? It is x minus 1 kilometer. This much portion is x minus 1 kilometer. This is 1 kilometer, total is x kilometer. So this distance is x minus 1 kilometer. So what is the rupees there? Rupees 5 per kilometer. For the remaining kilometers, subsequent kilometers, it is 5 per kilometer. Now we can find out the linear equation there. That is, let us draw the linear equation. For first one, you have to write the distance covered is equal to x kilometer, then total fare is equal to rupees y, then you have to write down the linear equation. Now for the first kilometer also is given there, it is rupees 8, then linear equation is how we can write? Y is the total fare that is given there. How we can calculate the total fare here? That is y is equal to, how we can calculate the total fare? First kilometer it is 8, so it is 8 plus, then for the subsequent kilometers it is rupees 5. Subsequent kilometer, that means the remaining kilometers is x minus 1. So for the subsequent kilometers it is rupees 5 per kilometer. That means x minus 1 into 5. So y is equal to 8 plus x minus 1 into 5. Then we have to open the bracket and simplify it. That is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5. Y is equal to 8 plus 5x minus 5 there. Y is equal to, then you have to simplify this one. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So we can write it as 5x plus 3. Thus we got the linear equation. That is, we can arrange it. That is 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation. 5x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. And the solution is, linear equation is y is equal to 5x plus 3. Now we can draw the graph of this linear equation. Okay, then we can draw the graph here. First you have to find out the points, then only you have to draw the graph. Then we can, first you have to find out the points, then we can draw the graph accordingly, or we can mark the points accordingly. Okay, Then first point we can put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. What happened? Y is equal to 3. When x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. Then we can put another value, any value. Suppose x is equal to 1. Otherwise, when y is equal to 0, we will get a fraction. So to avoid that, I put x is equal to 1 here. 0 also you can put, no problem for that. So when x is equal to 1, what happened here? X is equal to 1 means y is equal to 5 plus 3. 5 into 1 plus 3, that is 8. 2 points we got. Okay, then we can mark the points on the graph there. You have to do this question on the graph book only. Okay, first point 0, 3. x0, y3. This is 0, 3. Next point 1, 8. X is 1, y is 8. This point we will get. Okay, 1, 8. Then you have to draw the graph. Okay, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. It will be a straight line. You have to draw accordingly. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 8, x is equal to 0. But that is the graph is y is equal to 5x plus 3. This is the solution. Okay. Okay. Next question. Yamini and Fatima, 2 students of class 9 of a school, together contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund to help the earthquake victims. Write a linear equation which satisfies this data, and also you have to draw the graph. Okay, 2 students are there of class 9. They contributed rupees 100 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. Okay, then we can take x and y are the 2 students' contribution there. Okay, then write down that let x be the contribution of, let rupees x be the contribution of, x be the contribution of, first one, who is that first one there? Yamini. And y be the contribution of, and rupees y be the contribution of, y be the contribution of Fatima. Okay, x and y. Then what is it? They together contributed rupees 100. So how we can write there? It is x plus y is equal to 100. This is a linear equation. Only this much is there. They together contributed rupees 100. So you have to write a linear equation. So the linear equation is x plus y is equal to 100. Okay, then you have to draw the graph. That means you have to draw the graph of the linear equation x plus y is equal to 100. Okay, now we can draw the graph. Okay, x plus y is equal to 100. First we can find out the points there. Values of x and y we can find x, y. Okay, sum is 100. So first we can take x is equal to 50. When x is equal to 50, y is also 50. Then another point we can take, let x is equal to 40. Then when x is equal to 40, y becomes 100 minus 40, that is equal to 60. We are taking bigger values here. So in the graph you have to take the 10 divisions as 10, 20, 30. Likewise we can take. Okay, here first one is 50, 50. So 50, 50 here, and from here you have to mark this point as 50. This is 50, 50. Then the second point is 40, 60. This is 40. Then 60 is here, almost here. Okay, this is 40, 60. Then you have to join the graph. Okay, you have to mark it accordingly. That is, the graph is x plus y is equal to 100. Okay, this is the graph. Then we can do the next question. Okay, then we can do the next question. Solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solution on number line on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means you have to draw that or draw the graph on the xy plane there. Then first one you have to mark it on the number line. Next one that is on the Cartesian plane. Okay, now we can solve. First we can solve this one. 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. How we can solve? X terms, you have to take x term to one side. So it is 2x minus x is equal to, here it is minus 3 minus 1. Okay, then 2x minus x is x itself, that is equal to minus 4. So the solution is x is equal to minus 4. Then what is the question? You have to represent it on the number line. So you have to draw a number line. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Then you have to represent it on a number line. Mark the x is equal to minus 4 there. X is equal to minus 4 at this point. This is x is equal to minus 4. In this way we are marking it on the number line. X is equal to minus 4. Now we can look at how we can mark it on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means it is xy plane. How we can draw? Okay. Okay, then here we draw the graph. Then we have to mark the point. X is equal to minus 4. Where is it? X is equal to minus 4. Only one point is specified here. So how will you draw that? At that point x is equal to minus 4, we have to draw this straight line. Here x is equal to this, x is equal to minus 4. You have to draw the straight line through minus 4, and that will be parallel to which axis? Y axis. X is equal to minus 4 is a line through minus 4 which is parallel to y axis. This is x is equal to minus 4. Okay. If it is x is equal to 5, what will be there? X is equal to 5 means if 5 is here, then we will draw a straight line here which is parallel to y axis. Okay, generally we can say that if x is equal to a is a graph that is parallel to y axis. Generally we can say x is equal to a is a line that is parallel to y axis. Similarly, if it is not in the case of this question, I am saying it generally. If y is equal to 4, we want to mark y is equal to 4 on the Cartesian plane. Y is equal to 4. Where is y is equal? This is y is 4. So what you have to do? You have to draw a line here that will be parallel to which axis? X axis. So y is equal to 4 is a line parallel to x axis, and x is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 4 is a line parallel to y axis. You have to remember that, note it that is we can say x is equal to a is a line that is parallel to which axis? Parallel to x is equal to a is a line parallel to y axis. Then y is equal to b or a, generally we are saying it is parallel to x axis. Okay, then you have to write down the note there. X is equal to a is a straight line that is parallel to y axis. Note 1 you have to write x is equal to a is a straight line parallel to y axis. Then write a second note, you have to write y is equal to b is a straight line which is parallel to x axis. Okay, note it there. X is equal to a is a line parallel to y axis, and y is equal to b or minus b, it is a line parallel to x axis. Okay, then next exercise 4.4, second question. Give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 in one variable and in two variables. One variable means you have to solve this in one variable, only one variable is there. That means you have to mark it on the number line. Then it means two variables means you have to mark it on a Cartesian plane. First we can solve that one. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. So what is 2x? 2x is equal to minus 9. So x is equal to minus 9 by 2, that is equal to minus 4.5. Okay, x value is minus 4.5. So what you have to do? First you have to represent it on a one variable, that is x is equal to minus 4.5. Then you have to represent it, means you have to draw the number line there. Okay, draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, then minus 4.5, where is it? Minus 4.5, almost here. That is, this is minus 4.5. In this way, we are representing it on the number line. Now, we can draw the graph for this one. In two variables, you have to represent. First, we are question is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. How we can represent it in two variables? Only one variable is there. So, y term you have to put 0 there. So, it is 2x plus 0 y plus 9 is equal to 0. 2x plus 0 y plus 9 is equal to 0. That is a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to represent it on the Cartesian plane, two variables. So we have to draw the graph. X is 2x plus 0y plus 9 is equal to 0. We already solved it. What is that in the previous one? In one variable we got the solution as x is equal to minus 4.5. So we have to draw the graph for x is equal to minus 4.5 in the Cartesian plane. Look at here. Draw the graph. Y dash 0 x dash. X is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So x is equal to minus 4.5. Where is it? X is equal to minus 4.5. So what will we do? X is equal to A is a line that is parallel to y axis. So here it is x is equal to minus 4.5. It will be a line through this 4.5 that is parallel to this y axis. This is the x is equal to minus 4.5, or 2 you can write that 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the graph there. Okay, the line will be, you have to draw it straight. This line is parallel to y axis. So x is equal to A is a line that is parallel to y axis, and y is equal to B is a line that is parallel to x axis. Okay, that is all for this chapter. We can continue the next chapter, next class. Okay, all of you should write the notes and you have to study or prepare for your exam. Okay, then thank you dear.